What are the best AI tools to use with Cornell Notes? If you are curious about how to supercharge your study sessions using Cornell Notes and artificial intelligence, you are in the right spot. Let's break down some of the best tools available that can help you take your note-taking to the next level. First, let's talk about the Cornell Notes system itself. This method divides your notes into 3 sections: cues or questions on the left, detailed notes on the right, and a summary at the bottom. This structure makes it easier to review and recall information. Now, imagine combining this effective note-taking strategy with the power of artificial intelligence. One standout tool is Intellecs.ai. This platform is tailored for students using the Cornell method. It automatically organizes your notes into the Cornell format and even generates flashcards to help with active recall. It also features a context-aware search to connect related concepts, making your study sessions more efficient. Intellecs.ai works primarily with PDF files and is designed for desktop use, streamlining your study workflow. Another great option is HyperWrite's Cornell Notes Assistant. This AI tool transforms your text inputs into well-structured Cornell notes, thought-provoking questions, and concise summaries. It uses advanced models to help you grasp complex topics more easily. This tool is not just for students. Educators and researchers can also benefit from converting study materials or lesson plans into organized notes. Notion is another flexible tool that can be adapted for Cornell Notes. It allows you to create templates for your notes and integrates AI features to help refine and organize your content. Notion supports multimedia, making it perfect for group studies or projects. However, keep in mind that it may require additional tools for flashcard creation. Krisp's AI meeting assistant is primarily a transcription tool, but it works well with the Cornell Notes method. It provides real-time transcriptions and AI-generated summaries, which can be used to fill in the summary section of your notes. This ensures you capture all the details during lectures or meetings. Lastly, Otter.ai is an excellent choice for capturing spoken information accurately. It offers AI-powered transcription and live editing features, generating summaries and action items that fit neatly into the Cornell Notes structure. This tool is especially helpful for students who attend lectures or discussions and want to convert audio into organized notes quickly. Using these AI tools can save you time and improve your study efficiency. Tools like Intellecs.ai and HyperWrite's assistant automatically format notes and generate study questions, reinforcing learning. Transcription tools such as Krisp and Otter.ai allow you to focus on understanding during lectures without missing important details. Notion's flexibility supports collaboration, making it suitable for complex subjects. In summary, the best AI tools to use with Cornell Notes are those that help with automatic formatting, generate study questions or flashcards, provide accurate transcriptions, and support efficient review. Intellecs.ai, HyperWrite's Cornell Notes Assistant, Notion, Krisp, and Otter.ai each offer unique features that align well with the Cornell method, helping you optimize your study routine.